Today, more than 40% of people in the United States suffer from some form of liver problem. In this video, I'm going to share 5 signs that can give you an idea if something is going wrong with your liver. In most cases, at least one of these signs appears before a serious liver issue develops. So, without further delay, let's get started. This football-sized 1,200-gram organ called the liver is, without a doubt, the #1 detoxifying plant in the body. It converts toxins into waste material, which is then eliminated through various channels of the body. Not only that, the liver also filters harmful substances from the blood, removes excess glucose, and stores it as glycogen. The liver produces bile, which helps metabolize fat, stores essential nutrients, and performs over 500 functions in the body. When liver function is compromised, blood pressure worsens, diabetes becomes harder to manage, digestion weakens, immunity declines, and toxins build up. The effects of poor liver health are often visible through symptoms like skin problems, belly fat, body aches, fatigue, and hormonal imbalances. The biggest issue is that, in the early stages of liver dysfunction, there are often no noticeable symptoms. By the time signs appear, around 70% of the liver might already be damaged. But the good news is that the liver is an incredible organ with the ability to regenerate, even if 90% of it is damaged, if given the right conditions to heal. However, let's be proactive. Here are 5 potential signs that could indicate something is going wrong with your liver. 1. Leg symptoms, a signal from the liver. The legs and feet can exhibit signs of liver problems, often long before the condition becomes severe. Individuals with liver dysfunction may notice red or brown dots on their legs, along with varicose veins or cracked heels. These symptoms suggest that the liver may not be filtering blood efficiently, leading to circulatory issues. Other symptoms include itchy feet, a burning sensation, or pain in the feet. Additionally, foul-smelling feet may indicate that the liver is overloaded with toxins, struggling to process and eliminate them. While these symptoms can result from other conditions, when combined with other indicators, they point to potential liver dysfunction. 2. Changes in urine and stool, clues to liver function. Changes in urine and stool often reveal important clues about liver health. Dark-colored urine can indicate dehydration, but if the discoloration persists even with adequate hydration, it may point to liver problems such as a buildup of bilirubin, a waste product the liver normally removes. Similarly, pale or clay-colored stool suggests a reduction in bile production, a sign that the liver isn't functioning optimally. Bile plays an essential role in breaking down fats, and without it, the body struggles with digestion. More concerning is the presence of black, tarry stool, which can signal internal bleeding in the gastrointestinal tract due to advanced liver disease. 3. Liver pain, inflammation, and discomfort. One of the most common symptoms of liver damage is pain or discomfort in the upper right abdomen, just below the rib cage. This pain may feel like a dull ache or sharp discomfort, and is often accompanied by bloating or tenderness. The discomfort may radiate to the right shoulder or neck due to nerve connections. Liver pain can result from conditions like fatty liver disease, hepatitis, or alcohol-related liver inflammation. People who frequently engage in binge drinking or consume a high-fat diet are particularly at risk of developing fatty liver, which, if left unchecked, can lead to more severe complications like cirrhosis. 4. Skin and eye discoloration, jaundice, and other signs. Changes in skin, eye, and nail color are often telltale signs of liver malfunction. Jaundice, characterized by a yellowish tint to the skin or whites of the eyes, occurs when the liver fails to properly process bilirubin, leading to its accumulation in the body. This symptom is often associated with conditions such as hepatitis or liver cirrhosis. Another warning sign is red palms or dark pigmentation around the neck. These discolorations occur because the liver struggles to maintain hormonal and chemical balance, leading to abnormal changes in the skin's appearance. 5. Fluid retention, swelling and bloating. Fluid retention, particularly in the legs, ankles, and abdomen, is another sign of compromised liver function. When the liver cannot produce enough albumin, a protein that regulates fluid in the bloodstream, fluid begins to accumulate in body tissues. This can lead to swollen legs or a protruding belly, ascites. In more advanced cases, individuals may experience pitted edema, where pressing on the swollen area leaves a visible dent that takes time to return to normal. Fluid retention not only causes discomfort, but also indicates that the liver's ability to regulate bodily functions is severely impaired, signaling a need for immediate medical attention. Tips to improve liver health. Maintaining a healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, and adopting specific lifestyle habits can go a long way in supporting liver function. Below are some effective strategies to promote liver health and reduce the risk of liver-related complications. 1. Hydrate regularly. One of the simplest ways to support the liver is by drinking plenty of water. Proper hydration helps flush out toxins from the body, allowing the liver to function efficiently. It's equally important to avoid sugary or carbonated drinks, which add unnecessary strain to the liver and contribute to metabolic imbalances. Staying hydrated with water ensures the liver can detoxify the bloodstream and perform other critical tasks smoothly. 2. Avoid alcohol and refined sugars. Alcohol is one of the leading causes of liver disease, and excessive consumption can lead to conditions like fatty liver, cirrhosis, or hepatitis. Similarly, refined sugars found in processed foods increase the risk of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Reducing or eliminating alcohol and sugary foods from your diet is crucial to prevent liver damage and maintain a healthy metabolism. 3. Incorporate natural remedies. Natural remedies can complement other lifestyle changes by supporting the liver's detoxification processes. Ayurvedic treatments such as Bringrajasava, a herbal tonic, are believed to cool the liver and assist in toxin removal. Additionally, sugarcane juice offers a refreshing way to reduce liver heat and improve digestion. These natural options provide gentle support for liver function without the burden of synthetic chemicals. 4. Limit painkillers and antibiotics. While medications like painkillers and antibiotics are sometimes necessary, overuse can place significant stress on the liver, which must break down these substances. To protect liver health, it's essential to use such medications only when needed and under medical guidance. Limiting their use gives the liver a chance to focus on other detoxification tasks, reducing the risk of long-term damage. 5. Opt for home-cooked, low-salt meals. Preparing meals at home offers better control over ingredients, particularly salt and carbohydrates. Excessive salt can lead to water retention, while too many carbohydrates may contribute to fatty liver. A diet rich in fresh, whole foods reduces the liver's workload by minimizing exposure to preservatives, additives, and unhealthy fats. This approach also supports overall digestive health, making it easier for the liver to maintain balance. 6. Drink coffee in moderation. Surprisingly, coffee can have positive effects on liver health when consumed in moderation. Drinking coffee, particularly before noon, acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body eliminate excess water and reducing swelling. Research suggests that coffee may also lower the risk of liver disease and improve liver enzymes, adding an enjoyable yet beneficial element to a liver-friendly diet. When combined with natural remedies and mindful medication use, these habits give your liver the best chance to thrive, ensuring it can perform its vital functions effectively for years to come.